Hi friends, Pam Shepherd here with Pamela Shep Productions. And okay, I've done something here. I went in and I told her I wanted to do something a little bit different. So I let her shave it up a ways. See? She did leave some little tassel tails, but they seemed like they were too long for the short part. And so I did a short. So I have to really work on this round face with the short. Okay. Looks like I did something wrong in my eyebrow too. I'll fix that. Okay. So I'm going to blow it dry and show you what I do with this short pixie haircut at 70 years old. Maybe I went a little too edgy, you think? Okay. Went a little bit edgy. You think maybe I went a little too edgy? Maybe. But it grows. And it grows fairly fast. Hi. What do you think? I don't know. Okay, well, I'm going to put some of this Bedhead hair thickener, Queen for a Day thickening spray. Hey, do any of you remember that show, Queen for a Day? My mama was on that show years and years ago. She didn't win, but she was on the show. Okay, and then I'm going to put some of this Catwalk Root Boost spray. And I'm going to put some in the crown of my hair right there. Ooh, I'm about out. Put some over here, especially on my little troublesome side. I'll put some in the middle part too up here. I certainly don't need it in the back. Have nothing to boost. And when I wear earrings, it does help, but I did have her leave it a little bit long, here and here, so that it gives a little bit of bulk for that round face. That good old round face. At least I have a face, right? Okay, here goes. I'm gonna blow it dry. Let's see what we've got so far. Okay. All right. Alrighty. Well, I wear my bangs, I'm going this direction. So we left this long, which thank goodness we did, because I think it would not have been a good thing without it. Okay, and then I like on the side, I like the look of it coming out and then down, but it was a little bit too bulky, so I got my thinning shears out and thinned it, but I know what I'm doing, so it's okay. If I had gone back, in fact, she asked me, do you want me to thin that out? And I said, let's just wait. So then when I got home, I realized it was like a little bit more of a muffin than I wanted it to be a muffin. Okay. I think I did the whole video with it off. Shoot. Okay, so this insert is actually a different day. I didn't realize that my camera quit. I don't think I turned it off, but anyhow. What I was gonna do is show you how I'm just gonna fix my hair, just use my hairspray to style my hair. So I am using this Got to Be Glued, and it's a blasting freeze spray. It says it's spike cement finish even. So I mean, it's stiff stuff for sure. What I want this hairdo to do today is to, I want it to come forward. Yeah, it is considerably shorter, considerably, and we will, you know, it'll grow. That's the thing. I thought it would be kind of fun to give it a whirl. I really have to work on the round face, fat cheeks. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to tease it up a little bit in the back. Well, maybe everywhere. Okay. Down at the base anyhow, you know, so that it is kind of a, the color she put on it was kind of, it was called a lavender red, I think. But it actually, I guess in the sunshine, it is a lot more lavender. I like to do little pieces, you know. I like it, that look. But I want them to come forward today. So, anyhow. And you can have it as high as you want. I mean, you can spike the whole thing out, you know. If you wanted to, you can spike it up as much as you want, see? And this hairspray will help you keep it that way. But if you want it to come down a little bit. And this one, the only thing about this hairspray is it's pretty, I mean, I probably wouldn't have to wash my hair tomorrow. I could probably, you know, make it work, but it's pretty stiff, you know, when you use this. So anyhow, okay. All right, so there you have this particular part of the video that we lost, and then I'll pick up where we left off on the other one. I don't know what happened, sorry. So anyhow, today's Memorial Day. I'm probably going to go down to the grave site where my sister and my mama and my daddy are buried, and my father-in-law and my other sister and my nephew, you know. Anyhow, but I am so thankful for all the fallen soldiers. Let me tell you, they are what really keeps our country safe, and some of them have had to give the ultimate sacrifice of their life, and I thank them for that. I'm thankful to their families. When it's a loss like that, it's rough, right? Okay, well, I'm going to put some lipstick on and get this day going, okay? You have a happy day, and the rest of the video will be, you know, thanks for coming by. I appreciate all of you. I really do. I do. Okay, bye on this one, on this part. Well, if I have some on there, I do. But what I was doing was I took the comb and I was kind of ratting it up a little bit, just in all the different places. And then I was kind of just styling it with the hairspray. And then dries pretty fast. There's not a lot there. What do you think of this edgy hairdo? I don't know. It's kind of cute. I mean, it's kind of fun. My husband said, oh, your hair looks cute. I said, it does? Because I didn't know how because, you know, I got this round face, and I did put the dark in there. What's that? Oh, it's just a wrinkle. And I may need to put a little more dark. What do you think? Okay, so I'll get my makeup here, and I'll get the dark. And try to hollow out this roundy. Kind of got too far to the front. It's not a lot different color than my blush, it seems. I don't want it to go too far to the front. See, I'm kind of going too far to the front. So, and then I don't want to go too far to the bottom. You can always put a little bit of this lighter stuff there. The lighter stuff to get, because I don't want to have it come too far. Now they say, if you come too far with your blush, that it makes your nose look bigger. But, well, I don't have a very big nose, really, and he has kind of a puggy nose. But, I don't know, girls and boys. Oh, boy. It's getting to be too much. I'll have to use my brush and... Okay, and I'm going to put some earrings on and see if that helps, you know, with the round face. They say if you put round earrings on this way, that it makes your face look rounder, especially if it hits in the widest spot. But I'll bring a dangly and a round. Let's see what we think, okay? I've never worn hanging down this low in my life, ever. But you know what? Maybe today I should give it a whirl. We are going to go tonight to see Jeff Foxworthy. My brother gave us tickets to go see Jeff Foxworthy tonight. So that would be okay, right? Oh boy, what have I turned into? Well, I think I'm going to accessorize this and see what I think. You tell me what you think. That's what I need to know. What do the other people think? Oh, it grows out, you know, so. I don't know. I don't even know why I bought these because I never wear them like that. But I might today. I just might today. We'll see. Okay, tell me what you think.